Good morning, children. So, in the previous class, we have learned about air around us. Yes, so in that we have learned some properties of air. Let's remember that once. So, okay, so air moves the things. So, for example, kite. So, because of the air, the kite moves. Air fills spaces. Air fills the spaces like bicycle, vehicle tires. Next, air expands on heating. Air expands on heating. So we have took that example. I have shown you also. Bottle keep the balloon on the bottle, that one. Yes, heating hot water. Next, air has weight. So take two balloons, one balloon with blown balloon and one is the normal balloon. So which has the, when we measure the weight of the two balloons, which has the more weight? The blown balloon, because air is filled inside that. So air has more weight. Next, air has pressure. This also we have seen the video activity. Air has oxygen and other gases. See children, next is air has water vapor. So how can we say that air has a water vapor? So normally our daily life example, dry the clothes in the hot sunny day. Yes, what happens after some time our clothes get dried. So మనం బట్టలు ఆరేసినప్పుడు it will get dried after some time. How, where the water from the clothes go? Where the water from the clothes go? So the water from the clothes become water vapor and get mixes into the air. So the water from the clothes turns into water vapor. Okay, so ఏదైతే మన క్లోత్స్ వాటర్ ఉంటుందో that changes into water vapor and mixes into the air. So air also has what now? Water vapor. Air also has water vapor in it. So same like that, in hot sunny days, water in the lakes, seas, ponds dried up. Why? Because of the hot sunny day, the water gets evaporated and the water changes into water vapor and get mixes into the air. Okay children, so air also has, the next property is air also has water vapor. Okay, see, air has dust and smoke. So air also contains dust and smoke in it. Yes, so many of the vehicles are going on the roads, the smoke from the vehicles, so all the dust particles get completely mixed into the air, which is not good for our health. See, air contains tiny dust particles. Air carries dust when it moves. So breathing that dusty smoky air, which is not good for our health, can cause breathing problems. Yes, so it is our responsibility to keep our air clean. Okay, so air ki clean ga unchalante, what you have to do? What are the ways to keep the air clean? See, let's see here. So how we can say that air contains dust particles? See here, watch sunlight coming in through the window. So morning we can see, when we open the window, we can see the sunshine in this way. Yes, see, you can see tiny dust particles moving about in the light. These are the dust particles. Tomorrow in the morning, once when you open the window through the sunshine, observe that properly. In that you can see the dust particles. In that we can observe the dust particles, and through this we can say that air has dust and smoke in it. Yes children, so the industry smoke, vehicle smokes, all get completely mixed into the air. See, air has germs. Air has a number of small living things, they cannot be seen. These are called germs. Many of them are harmful to us. They spread diseases like TB, chickenpox, cold, cough, and many other airborne diseases. So air contains smoke, dust, and also the germs. Small living things which are not good for us. Okay, so they can cause, because of that we can get many of the diseases like cold, cough, TB, chickenpox and all. So it is our responsibility to keep the air clean. See children, next, air pollution. When dust, smoke, harmful gases and other germs enter the air becomes dirty. This is called air pollution. What is air pollution? The smoke from the vehicles, industries, and the dust particles, the germs, all getting mixed into the air is called air pollution. Air pollution and enti, the air getting unhealthy, not good. So that is because of water, because of the smoke from vehicles and dust particles, germs. So all this making the air polluted. So what this is called as air pollution. So this is called as air pollution. See children. So this is air pollution, breathing that dusty smoky air is good for our health? No. See, still what causes the air pollution? So factories, so here you can see vehicles, factories, smoke from the factories, smoke from the vehicles, and also cutting down the trees. Is it good for cutting down the trees? No, because of trees we can get the fresh air. So do not cut the trees. Do not cut the trees. See, so what ways to reduce air pollution? So here see, what are the ways to reduce pollution? What is this boy doing? Planting more trees so that our air should be clean. Okay, so because plants make the air fresh and clean, and also walking or cycling for the walkable distances. So nearby distances unte going by walk ledante go on the cycle. Okay, so that we can reduce using vehicles. And when we reduce vehicles using reduce cheste, what happens? The smoke from it gets reduces to mix into the air. Yes, so breathing clean air helps us stay healthy. So if you want to be healthy, follow these ways and keep our air clean. Okay children, so this is air around us. Learn all the properties and how to reduce the air pollution. Learn all these ways. Okay, I'll send you the textual exercise. Complete those.